What if I told you this AI laptop can last almost an entire workday on a single charge, but there's one catch that might stop you from buying it? Here's the HP OmniBook X AI PC. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Elite processor, this laptop is built for AI-powered productivity instead of hardcore gaming. It features a 14-inch touchscreen display, fast SSD storage, Copilot Plus AI features, and an impressive battery life that makes it perfect for students, professionals, and anyone constantly on the move. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry, while AI tools help with writing, summarizing, and everyday tasks. But here's the downside. Because it runs on an ARM-based Snapdragon chip, some older Windows apps and games may not be fully compatible. If your workflow depends on specific software, that's something to check before buying. Overall, if you mainly browse the web, edit documents, join video meetings, and want outstanding battery life, this laptop delivers exactly what it's designed for. So, is the HP OmniBook X14 worth it? If battery life and portability are your priorities, absolutely. But if you rely on older Windows programs or serious gaming, you may want to think twice. Would you buy an AI laptop like this? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more quick tech reviews.